Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this week I created a cake which had this 3D wave on the front, and I thought I would make a quick video to show you how to recreate it at home. If you enjoy this video and want to see more, then do hit that subscribe button. I post full cake tutorials plus cake decorating tips and tricks just like this one. So for this wave you'll need some white fondant, some blue fondant in 3 different shades, a leaf shaping tool which looks something like this, plus some water and a brush. I begin by tearing off a small piece of white fondant and shaping it into something that looks like this. Now I'm not even sure how I would describe this shape. If anyone has any suggestions, let me know in the comments below, but it's going to look something like this. And using just a little water on my brush, I wet a section where I want the top of my wave to go, and then I stick it down, but leave the top part curled away from the cake, so don't lay it completely flat. Now I'm just going to leave that just as it is for now while I marble my blue fondant. Marbling fondant is really easy. To do this, just roll each colour into a sausage shape, place them next to each other and squash them gently together. Then you're going to repeat a fold, twist and a roll. Keep repeating this until you're happy with the amount of marbling in your fondant. This looks great, so I'm going to stop here and tear a piece off. So I'm going to flatten this out and place it just inside of the white piece of fondant that I attached before. Now, using my shaping tool, I blend the 2 pieces of fondant together and then add in some vertical scores for the water. To add texture to the crest of the wave, I now use the very end of my tool and carefully poke it into the fondant and just kind of break the fondant apart slightly using some circular motions. The good thing about this effect is that you can build up that texture a bit at a time and then stop when you're happy. Because I want my wave to have an effect like it's coming more towards you than over to one side, I'm adding a second wave just underneath the first one. I'm going to use exactly the same technique as before, and I'm going to blend it into the blue and then ruffle up the top for that really textured look. So at the moment I'm feeling like my wave is a little bit narrow, so I'm just going to add some more blue fondant to the side and underneath just to widen it up a bit. And the good thing about this effect is because it is so textured, you can keep adding and you're not going to see that definite line of where you've added it on. You can just blend it right in. Now I'm really happy with the overall size and the shape of the wave. I'm going to add in a section at the back and some smaller crests at the bottom, and then just extend it out to the sides as the wave settles. You could make your wave bigger or smaller, you could curve it to either side, or make a few going around the cake or even onto the board. Once you have the main technique down, the look is completely up to you. I hope this helped and thank you so much for watching. Bye!